IB Physics, May 2024, Time Zone 1, SL Paper 1, Question 17. A point source of light, amplitude y, is viewed from a distance x. The observed light is intensity I. The amplitude is now decreased and the distance changes to x over 2. The observed light intensity becomes 2I. What is the new amplitude of the source? Alright, so the intensity is directly proportional to a squared. That is in the data booklet, and modifying it for our case here, intensity is directly proportional to y squared. We also have the inverse square law. I is directly proportional to 1 over x squared. So we can set up an equation. I is equal to y squared over x squared times some constant k. So that is for case 1. Now we have case 2. Well, this is always true, but for case 2, we have a decreased amplitude and a distance change to x over 2, and then we also have a new light intensity of 2I. So 2I is equal to y sub n, I'll say. This is the new amplitude, and that is squared and divided by x over 2 squared times k. X over 2 squared is x squared over 4, so this is going to become 4y sub n squared x over, sorry, now it's just x squared, and then times k, of course. If we divide each side by 2, we have I is equal to 4 y sub n, sorry, this now it's 2 since I had divided each side by 2, so it should be 2y sub n squared divided by x squared times k. And I is also equal to this right here. So this is equal to y squared over x squared times k. So what is the new amplitude? Well, I need this to cancel. I mean, obviously all of this will cancel, so I have 2y sub n squared is equal to y squared. So divide each side by 2 first of all. We have y sub n to the power of 2 is equal to y squared over 2. And then I can take the square root, so therefore y sub n is equal to the square root of y squared over 2. So this is going to be y over the square root of 2, and y over the square root of 2 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2 times y. That is answer choice D.